Hi everyone, it's time for activities. Today we're going to learn how to make a ladybug. Remember we had talked about ladybugs and I shared with you that ladybugs were my favorite insect. So today you're going to learn how to make your own insect. Be creative, meaning you can do it however you want to. Remember earlier I had said that ladybugs can be blue, black, purple, any color you would like that for your ladybug to be. Mine is going to be red. We're going to use our shapes of circles. A large circle, a small circle, a medium circle, rectangles, googly eyes, and the glue. So here we go. Now Mom and Dad, our friends may need some help with the glue sticks and with the wiggly eyes, and as well as cutting. So you may need to help our friends with the cutting and the glue sticks, okay? So here we go. I'm going to start with my big red circle, and I'm going to take my glue stick here, and I'm going to take a small circle and glue it on. One black circle, two black circle, three. So far we have 1, 2, 3 black circles, 4, 5, and 6. Remember, a ladybug has 6 black circles. So help me count them in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great job, friends. Now we're going to look at the legs, our rectangle shape. Remember, the ladybug has 6 legs. So I'm going to need you to help me count them as I place them on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome. Now we're going to put the eyes on the head. This is another circle, but it's a medium-sized circle. So you have to be really careful with the wiggly eyes because they're smaller. So Mom and Dad, our friends are going to need your assistance with this. You have to press really hard so they won't pop off. Okay. And now we're going to place the head on top of the body. And there you have your creation. Now remember, the ladybug can be many different colors. So however you would like for your ladybug to be, that is your creativity. Wow, friends, I hope you guys had a wonderful time making ladybugs. I know I did. Join me again next week where we'll learn about the caterpillar and we'll read the book, The Very Hungry Caterpillar. In the meantime, you guys have a great week and come on back and join me.